Turn left and clear. Visual scan, entry gate clear. Exit gate clock, turns all clear.
All clear.
All clear to ride dispatch.
The brakes open. We go full throttle in our shiny red 1961 Chevy Corvette. Really great ride. That was very good. If I actually had to, because I was actually debating this a little bit before I came here, I think this is the stronger Cyclone of the two RMC Cyclones that exist in the Six Flags chain. Wicked Cyclone's good, but I think this one has the better pacing and the better intensity compared to it. It also has a much more unique layout.